If you are wondering how you can copy your favorite chart formatting in the new charts, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Dinesh Sharma 10x. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn using chart templates to copy the same formatting in new charts, and along with that we will also learn creating the basic chart, adding secondary axes, creating chart templates and using those chart templates. And this is a practice file. If you want this practice file, I am going to give you the link in the description box. You can go ahead and download this practice file from the link so that you can follow along with me. So here is the sample data, which is for a product's sales and profit percentage for a whole year of 2023 and then for 2024, and I want a chart for this. So first of all, what I'll do is I will simply select the month and the total sales. Now go to insert, and in the chart section here first you will find the insert column or bar chart button. Click on this, and the very first option is 2D clustered column. Click on this. Now here we have the 2D clustered column chart available with us. So what we will do is we will start formatting this. Now first formatting what I want is the sale values are shown in thousands and lakhs, and it is very difficult for the user of this chart to read it. So we want them to be displayed as number of thousands. So first right click here and click on the format axis. On the right side a menu will open, and here you have display units option. Click on this and click on thousands. So now you see that these values are very easy to read and these are displayed in thousands. I don't want this mark here as thousands, so I will remove it. I'll click on delete, select and delete, because I'm going to add an axis label. Let's go ahead and add an axis label. So whenever you select your chart, at the top you will find chart design and formatting options. So click on chart design, and in chart design the first option is add chart elements. Click here and click on axis titles. So we want axis title for the primary vertical. Click on this and you will see axis title text box here, and we can change the name of this. So I will select it and I will write sales in thousands, bracket close. So this is how I want it. And the title also, the title I want same as the title of my table. So I'll copy this title from the table title and select the title of the chart and paste the title in the chart. Also what I want is I want these columns to be little thicker. So click on any of the column, right click on the column and then click on format data series, and here on the right side you have the gap width. So I will reduce the gap width from 219, which is automatically assigned, to 50%. So okay, this looks a good one. Also the color, I want to change the color a bit. So again, format data series, and here on the fill and line option, click on this one, and I want this color to be a different color. I want a lighter color, so I will select this lighter version of blue. I really like this one, and I want a border line here. So again I'll go to the same option, fill, and just below fill I have the option for border, and I can click on the color and I will select the border which is the darker color, and I will also increase the width of this to Yeah, 1.5 points. This looks good. So this is how I want my chart to be formatted. Now second thing, we will go ahead and add the second axis for profit percentage. So first of all, right click on the chart and click on select data. Select data source dialog box will open, and here in this dialog box on the left side you can add the additional data series in your existing chart, and on the right side it shows the variations of those, like the category axis it is shown here. Similarly we will add for the profit percentage. So click on add. The series name is going to be the heading of our profit column, and then series value. So series value, we will remove what is already there and then select the series value as this column values and click OK. And the right side it is showing 1 2 3 4 5. Instead of that I want Jan Feb, so I will again click on edit and then select these months, because these profits are against these months. Click OK and then OK again. Now you see that the profit is shown as very small columns of a different color, but this is not visible, and it is not a good chart to show the profit like this. So what we want is, we want the profits to be shown on a different scale. So we will add one more axis here on the right side. For that, right click and click on change chart type. Now this change chart type dialog box will open, and at the bottom you have combo chart. Click on this, and now you have the first series as total sales, which is a clustered column. I want the second series, that is profit percentage, to be shown as line. So I will click on secondary axis. The moment I click here, it shows a preview to you here, and the profit is from this right side new series, which is in percentage. And now I'll click on OK. So here is my new version of the chart, and this is very easy to read that the percentage profit is on this right side. Now I will also do one more thing. I will change the color of this profit line. So I will right click here, and here also you can change the fill color. So let's say let us change this to a black line. It does not change from the fill color option, so it's always better to go for the format data series. That's what I always prefer. And click on fill, and then this color here, so change this color to a black line, and here you go. So this is how we want our new chart for 2024 also to be. So I don't want these formatting, the color and the line color, these to be doing again. So what I want is, I want to save this chart as a template. For that, simply right click on the chart which you always prefer, that formatting for your new charts, so that you don't want to repeat your actions again and again. And then click on save as template. Yes, click on save as template, and save chart template dialog box will open. So here just give the name. So I will give the name as sales and profit template. So this is my sales and profit chart template. I'll click on save, and that's it. Now second time, whenever I want a similar chart for a new data, what I need to do is simply select my data and then go to insert, and here under any of these chart options, or either I can click on this down arrow also. So I'll prefer this one, and click on more column charts, and here on the left side you have two menus in this, two tabs rather. So the right side tab is all charts. Here you will find templates, and your saved templates will reside here. You can select those templates and you can have a number of templates saved, and later on you want to manage your templates, you want to delete something or change the name, you can click on this manage template, and the folder will open where your templates are saved, and you can do whatever changes you want. So I'll click on I'll close that, and I'm back in Excel. I'll select this template, I'll click on OK, and here you can see that Excel has created a second chart for my new data, exactly having the same formatting as my previous chart which I created. Only thing what you need to remember here is Excel will not change the chart title and the axis titles. It is actually all about formatting the title, so only formatting gets saved in your templates. So I'll again change the chart title. I want it like the title of my table, so I will change it, yes, 2024 sales and profit. And here also I want it something similar to this, so I will copy it from here, and I can paste it. So now I have my sale figures in thousands, I have my colors, my secondary profit line, everything is same as my previous chart. So I hope that you definitely like this tutorial, and now you understand that how you can create the chart templates to copy your formatting. So if that's the case, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel so that you get the notification for the new videos. So I'll see you in the next one. Until then, have a nice day. Bye bye.